Hi, my name's Dave Wilcox. I'm the owner of Ox Manufacturing.
Hi, I'm Annie Wilcox, and I'm the owner of Ox Manufacturing.
What makes us different than most manufacturing facilities is we try to approach things with maximum versatility and flexibility. So we try to do redundant equipment. We try to put things in place that reduce or eliminate setup. And I know a lot of other companies do that as well, but we go after it in a very aggressive fashion to try to eliminate any downtime for any reason. So we can move between product lines or families very, very quickly and meet our customers' demands at the pace that the market's taken it. The inspiration to start Ox Manufacturing largely came from a long history in manufacturing within the industry that we're in. We kind of hit a slowdown in the industry when we snuck up there on around 2017. The firearms industry slowed way down and we were both displaced and they really weren't hiring at the time. I've always was a little afraid of going into business for myself, and we just decided we would take a leap of faith, invest in ourselves, and go after it. What keeps us going every day is the successes that we've seen, the people that we work with every day, and we love what we do. When I see our team working so hard, it makes me feel just great. We've had to grow this group. You know, most of the people that we've brought in here have no experience or had no experience. We've got one guy that knew how to run a machine, and now he does all of our programming. He runs the Kittimer cell. He can program the Y-axis lathes. I think they have a really strong, bright future as we grow.
Hi, my name is James. I'm a machine shop engineer. I do all the programming and I oversee the operation for the Kittimer.
My name is James Kropelnicki. I run the product line. I'm the product line manager for machines 3 through 12. I basically keep the production line rolling on all those machines.
Hi, my name is Jamison Ensey. I am the robotics part of Ox Manufacturing.
I'm Jamison Ensey. I'm over automation on the 3 and 4th axis machines and the turning center.
My favorite part of coming to work is every day I get to face new challenges. And when you overcome these challenges, just make sure you reap the benefits.
I just enjoy making things with my hands and, you know, taking a blank chunk of metal and turning it into something cool.
My favorite part about coming to work every single day is the robots. I love figuring out the robots like they're a puzzle, like trying to make them do the best of their ability.
You know, my favorite part about coming to work every day is first thing I get to do in the morning is say good morning everybody, get them all going. If they have any questions, help them out with what they need.
I love seeing them come in and be interested in what they're doing and wanting to learn more of each area in manufacturing, not just what they were brought on to do. It's a team effort, and I think everybody tries to help out where they can and learn different areas and grow within the company as a whole.
I think one of the projects that I worked on that made me feel proud was being able to, the first time we set up overnight production, that very first night, going home, worrying about it all night, coming in the morning and finding good parts, and then consecutively over the last 2 years.
One of my favorite projects I've done here is, it was a year or so ago, I took a product we were running them on 4 vertical mills. I took that product, wrote it down on a sticky note of the shape. It was 2 components that we were milling on separate machines. Took those 2 components and I drew it on a sticky note and I said, Dave, we can make this on a multi-axis lathe. And 2 weeks later, he had bought the machine. He said, figure it out, which in turn took those parts and reduced the waste, material waste, by 95%.
It's helped me grow a lot. I've been able to get more into the programming side of things since I started working here. but it's just grown me as a machinist and as a boss. I've never been a boss before. So.
I've grown a lot here at Ox Manufacturing. I started off running just basic mills. I've dabbled in aerospace. I've dabbled in a couple of other industries. I finally found a place where I could grow. Dave's done a lot for me. Currently, I'm going to school, continued education, and he's completely paying for it. He's investing in me because I've invested so much in him. So there's a lot of respect that goes around here, and if you show up and you give it your all, he'll definitely give it your all, give it his all to us. So it's been amazing.
I started here not knowing that I wanted to be here, but Dave took a special interest in me and really helped me grow. And now I can't think of doing anything else besides working here at Ox Manufacturing.
I would like to tell other people, and especially other women, that we can also do the automated part of the manufacturing process, and we don't need to be intimidated by all of these things. I am 20 years old and it comes easy to me.
If you're looking for a place to where you can grow and, really feel like you're worth something, this would be the place to come to. Dave takes a special interest in those who give their heart to what they want to do. So this is just what I wanted to do, and Dave took an interest in me, and I've just done nothing but grow ever since.
The next 5 years, we already see a tremendous amount of growth. We expect to be double the size we are today. Probably double the amount of employees. We want to invest heavily on additional education or further education of the employees we already have. We also want to invest in tech. So robotics, AI, some of the other things that are coming down the pipe that we want to integrate into our manufacturing processes, not just to make us a better supplier or vendor, but to keep the interest of people coming to work for us. We want to be the biggest and best employer in Breckenridge. What we want customers to know when they do business with Ox is they're going to get a premium product on time for fair price. And in our industry, there's a lot of reactive order placing. We want to be able to fulfill those. If somebody comes to us and says, our supply chain let us down, we need 40,000 X to hit our manufacturing goal, we want to be able to do that for them. We've just recently done something like that. Very, very quickly, 10,000 pieces. Their assembly line was down. We had them back up in a couple days. So we want to be, again, ultimate flexibility for our customer base, to where when they come to us, they know they're getting a good product, they know it's fair, and they know they're going to get it on time.
Constant communication and the relationships that we build with our customers and our vendors. It's one of the top priorities for us when communicating with them. Bail them out of kind of a hard spot, if you will, and keep those channels open between both of them. Best way to reach us is at oxmfg.com.